this is James from Demark, the laser company. Today I'll show you our 200 watts pulse laser cleaning machine. This one. Okay, I can show you. This is our 200 watts. So we can lift up one person, and it can easily move away because they have some some wheels here, so you can easily move it easily here. So it's very easy for you to carry it to some place. And with this machine, we'll have give you one machine, and this is 5 meter clean head. This is the clean head, 5 meters, and we can customize to 8 meters. So we'll give you power line, 2 power line, one for China and one for the Europe standard. This is a single line, which can be used for automatical for the automatical uses. And this is for the compressed air pipe. So you just put the pipe inside here, so the air will just be inputted. And now let's show you the screen of our machine. So the first is the work parameters. This is the total power, 200 watts. We can just touch it and change. It's locked, unlock. So we can, 180. 180. So the power is changed to 180 powers. And this is the frequency. We can also change it like 200. So we can change it. But often when we use is the full power, we just 200 watts here. This is we recommend 240. Okay, 240. We just recommend 240. Okay, and this is the width of our scan width. So when we use the cleaning head, the maximum width for the cleaning is 95 millimeter, and this is a guide light, and this is laser for the condition, show its condition. And this is the scan mode. We can choose different shape for our scanning. This is a line, this is a wave, circle, this is a rectangle, and triangle, spiral. So you can change it. Okay.